What's up guys, Nolly Renaissance Man here, and today I'll be showing you how to set out a fishing rod right here. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. So I have all my tools laid out right here. So what you'll need is some weight, a weight right here, bobber. I made this at home using like some foam and pen stick right here, and then I just pushed it through. So this is a simple homemade bobber right here. And you're also gonna need your hook attachments right here and your hook. So I have it all laid out, and you lock this. Okay. So the first step of doing this is pressing this to unlock the thing to pull it out. So you just gotta press it and pull it out. Now on a fishing rod there are certain holes right here where your line goes through, and it makes sure it stays straight so it doesn't go out. So now you're just gonna pull it through. On my fishing rod there is 5 of these hoops right here. So I'm gonna pull it through each one. Okay. It gets smaller and smaller when it goes up. The biggest one is in the bottom, the smallest one is on the top. You have to work your way up. Okay, so now you want at least 3 feet of string of the line, because we want a lot of room for the bobber, the weight, and the hook to go. So now what you have to do is get the bobber, push the line through the little straw right there, and then like make sure it comes out of the other end. Okay, it came out, and then just pull it up like right about where you want it. Then you take your string and then you push it through again. So you want to do it one more time, just push it through. It can be a bit hard to do because like it's going everywhere the line, but it'll go through. Okay, so it came through right here. Now I can align it where I want it to go, kind of, but not too much. Okay, so now we have this. Now you want to grab your weight, just align it where you want it. I want it somewhere around here. So what I'm going to do is just get this and close the hole with my finger. Like just make it smaller. You can do it with your fingers the whole way.
Yeah.
But like, I recommend using a pliers. It's easier to do so. So just close it. Okay. So now we have it where we want it, and it's not moving anywhere, so that's good. And now what we have to do is set this up right here. Okay, so now you can pick any one of these from this box right here, but I'm going to be using this one. It's all the same thing, it does the same thing, so it doesn't really matter which one you use. So now, as you can see, this small hole right here, you're gonna put the line through this 3 times. That's 1, that's 2, and that's 3. So then what you want to do is grab your line and do this about 5 or 6 times. Kind of messed it up. Okay, so now what you want to do is cut off the excess part of it. So I'm gonna cut it off like right here. So once it's done, you can actually see how it works. You just push this pin down and then put the hook through. So right now I'm gonna get my hook right here. And be careful while doing this. You might want to pair it here because the hook is pretty sharp. You can actually hurt yourself while doing it. So what you do is push this thing down. It's just like a safety pin, kinda. Okay. It's kind of hard to do, so. Okay, so now that I've got it out, I just gotta put the hook through. Like so. And just close it. So there you have it, fully hooked up and ready to go fishing rod. So then what you need to do is, I don't know, like attach your bait, like right there. One thing you could do is like, I bought this from the dollar store. You can just attach it to your fishing line and then the fish gets caught there and then you have it. But what I like is these ones. They just go through your hook, just like that. And to prove that this hook is actually sharp, see, that was actual rubber and it went right through, like a hot knife through butter. So this is what my bait is to attract the fish, and it honestly looks good. And now I'm going to reel my rod up and show you how it actually looks. Okay, so I reeled it up. And now just attach this. Right here. Okay, so this is the finished product right here. Let's see. So I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, remember to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.